What does a forensic handwriting expert do? That is one of the most common search terms, and I'll tell you right now. My name is Bart Baggett. I'm a professional handwriting expert, a forensic expert, and I'm standing in front of a courthouse in Monroe, Louisiana. I'm going to explain to you why I'm here, what we do, and how I got here. So, forensic handwriting expert or forensic expert looks for documents that are altered or basically non-authentic or authentic. A lot of our work revolves the signature. In this case, there's a signature of a prenuptial agreement in 1991, which might or may not have been forged. Now, they can come in and the ex-wife and the husband and the kid, they can, oh, it's real, oh, it's forged, oh, it's real. How does a judge suss that out? The way he or she susses that out is they want an independent expert witness that is telling the truth based on forensics, microscope, photograph, paper testing, watermarks. Any of those things can help us decide, was that piece of paper or that prenuptial agreement really created in 1991, or was it created 10 years later because the watermark gave it away? That kind of detail, from staple marks to paper manufacturing to the handwriting, is all covered under the term forensic document examination. So most people, when they search for a handwriting expert, they do a handwriting expert, they get graphologist, they get personality, they get, no, it's forensic document examination, because what you want is someone that can go to court, that's been to court 100 times. The judge says, you know what, I think you're an expert, Mr. Baggett. I would like to hear your opinion on whether or not this piece of paper was originally created in 1991 or 2001 when it was filed with the court. That's what the judge is looking for, real evidence, not conjecture, not theory, not emotional testimony from the ex-wife or the son or the friend or the notary who also happens to be the sister-in-law. All that is hearsay, all that is bias, and experts testify to the truth, and judges love expert witnesses. So in the category of what is an expert witness or what is a forensic document examiner, it is an expert in paper and handwriting. That person is also experienced as an expert witness, meaning that we're an unbiased witness. They can come to court and testify on your behalf. Now, I'm here in Louisiana because the court date is today. However, it's been on the books for 2 years. We don't know if it'll go canceled or portrayed, but I'll tell you what, the fact that I'm standing here will help a lot of people settle the case, because they don't want me testifying. Because I know for a fact that document was not created in 2001, it was 1991. And I have verifiable proof because of the watermark. So they don't want me on the stand. So they will kick it down the road. They'll make a settlement, all of that, because they've got a credible expert witness. So when you're thinking about hiring an expert witness or hiring a forensic handwriting expert, it's not about just the letter. It's the reputation. It's the fact, will they show up? Will they look good in front of the jury? Can they explain why the facts are so slanted in the favor of the truth that they don't want you on the stand? And quite frankly, that's why I'm one of the highest paid, because they don't want me on the stand. They look at that and say, I don't want that guy on the stand. I'll settle. I don't want that guy on the stand. I'll even stipulate to the fact that I forged it. Oops, I guess my ride's here. My name is Bart Baggett. If you like this channel, hit like and subscribe for more, and thank you for following.